And we're going to start out with the timbalini, which in Italian means a little molded something. And today it's little molded pasta. And here I'm just chopping up some pancetta, which is Italian bacon, unsmoked Italian bacon. And I'm going to saute this in a frying pan with a little bit of olive oil. So I have about 3 tablespoons of olive oil in here already, and some pancetta that I have cut up, about 1/4 pound. And this is going to give a very nice flavor. So you want about 2 cups of diced leeks to go in with the pancetta and the olive oil. And then we want to get that soft. So this is going to take about a few minutes. Now, while this is cooking down, let me check the pasta that is going into the timbalini, and I think it's ready. And we're using capellini, which means very fine hair, like baby hair. So now I can drain that, and I added about 1.5 cups of peas to the pasta just before I took it out. So I didn't want those peas to be mushy. So now I can take this out. So there's mine, and there it's going to stay. And as these leeks get soft, well, then we want to add some other flavorings with this. And for that, I want to have some fresh Italian flat leaf parsley. And then you want with this about 2 cups of a fresh tomato sauce. And I mean fresh, that you've made and already have in your freezer. You know, tomato sauce is very easy to make. Just a little bit of fresh tomatoes, some garlic, olive oil, basil, and in 15 minutes you can have sauce. So I've added about 2 cups of the tomatoes to the leek and the pancetta mixture. And you really want to mix that up well. You want to put in about 2 cups of cheese, and this is Parmigiano Reggiano, which is a northern Italian cheese. If you didn't have this, then you could use Asiago, which is also a northern Italian cheese. Both of these are cow's milk cheese, and they have just a slightly salty taste. This you can make a day ahead if you're having a party, and I like to serve the timbalini for a buffet, for a pasta buffet actually. So get it in and then give it a very good mix. You want to really mix this up well. And I'm using the capellini because you want this to remain a light tasting dish. If you were using a heavier type of pasta like a bucatini, well, it would just sit like a lead pipe, and no one in the Renaissance would like that. Pack it right into the mold. If this was cooler, of course, you could use your hands and do it, but get it right in. Try to be neat. So you see how easy this is? Then you want to cover this with some foil. Put your oven on at 350 degrees. Cover the whole tray very well. And this goes into the oven, for about 20 or 25 minutes. Then later, when we take these out, well, we'll be putting them on a tray with the remainder of that tomato sauce that we made.